Let me demonstrate how this program can use to search Facebook. This program is divided into three parts. This data connecting engine, database, and user interface for analysis. Now let me start with the data connecting engine. This simple script is developed on Python. Now in this video you will see very simple function because I just want to demonstrate the concept. There are more functions required to develop to make the whole system complete and useful. But anyway, through this simple program, I believe you can understand the concept well enough. Now this is the data connecting engine. It's a Python script. It will search Facebook based on keyword or whatever criteria I set for it. Originally, this program should be run on server, a background, so that could be run automatically and periodically without human interaction. Now, as a demonstration, I run it manually. So in screen, I type the command. Now wait for a while because the program is preparing the environment. Not long later, you will see message display on screen. That means the program is running. You see now the program is running. You will find it is searching the Facebook information connect. You see, you will not connect anything. You will just connect based on the criteria I set for it. Maybe keyword, maybe a target user, or whatever appropriate. So this program, this Python script is the first part. Second part is the database. You will see I have a database here. There are plenty of information organized in tables. And you will see the data I connect previously using the Python script saved in database. In this case, when information connect is the link of post. So database, this is the second part. And the third part is an interface for analysis. This is a simple one and may not be useful to most users because it's not complicated enough. I believe any business should have some kind of specific requirement on the data they connect. They want to extract certain information to help their business. This is a demonstration only. In most cases, you require some complicated algorithms to analyze your data in big volume. However, for this demonstration, I prefer using this simple interface to explain how the data you connect can be used, can be analyzed. Now for this case, we do a simple analysis on the usefulness of the link. This could be done by a data entry card under the guideline provided. Like for example, Now the link will display on screen one by one. You click open it. Your staff come to have a look on the content, okay, and decide whether there is useful information on the link. Like if there is not useful information, you can mark this link as useless and update. The second one will pop up on screen. Now, repeat the same thing. Repeat the same thing, and if it's not useful, mark it update. So your staff can follow your guideline to examine the link one by one. Of course, beyond this, there are much more to use the data. And so this is the search program for Facebook information.